I'm doing a quick video about how we connect the machine. This is the switch or service disconnect box, and like you just turn a regular switch up, and the cable is direct because this box have a control inside that it burn out. So this control have to be replaced. And right here, he just close this box so nobody put the hands inside, because like I said, the cables are direct, and we gotta make sure nobody stick hands in here. It should be a protector. It was broken. It's like a plexiglass that should cover. We can buy this at Home Depot. It's 1/8. That only just cover this right here. And I'm going to turn the machine on so you see that it's working. I'm doing a quick example of scrap wood. This might be 8 inches wide and 1 inch thick. Here we adjust the side that we need right here. For example, if this is 8 inches, we can put it that we needed 6 inches. We got to turn this. We put it 6 inches. We got it on 6 inches. Then this bar tells you where the blade is. So the blade is going to be right here on 0. So the bar is maybe 1 inch. So the blade is not going to reach. So right here, you push this, and you can move the bar in and out, and you can put it quarter maybe quarter of an inch. We get the board close to the bar, and then we're gonna cut 6 inches. We're gonna cut it 5.5. 5.5. That means that it's gonna cut around right here, and it's gonna cut the edge of this. That usually is gonna be good to cut 2 edges at the same time. So I'm gonna do the demonstration. These blades right here move in and out. This first blade don't move. It always stay there. We can move it. We just gotta loose these nuts, and then we can move it. But this second blade, it moves with that wheel right there in the corner. So I'm going to turn it on with the service disconnect box, and I'm going to put my phone right here so you can see how it cuts. I'm going to take measure. I didn't put the board on the right place, and when I push it through, it moves a little bit, but that didn't let the board went through straight, but it's working good. I was gonna measure the board, but I can't find a tape measure.